Hi, Gareth here from Port Monkeys, along with the lovely Janet. And we are in Montevideo, Uruguay. And we're going to go into the Puerto Mercado, or Mercado de Puerto, port market. And it's a bunch of restaurants. So,
Hola.
you might like it.
¿Quiere comer algo for lunch?
See, you might want to go in there.
For lunch? Hola, amiga.
We got gift shops. Smells like roasting meat, roasting over fire, wood fire. Oh, and lid is. You see that over there?
Hola.
Hey, that sausage was there this morning. Another little gift shop. Maybe you're looking for one of those cups with the spoon. Maybe you're looking to drink beer. Maybe you're looking at my hair. With steak laying out. And cioppino or paella. Look at all the stuff on that grill there. See it? More gift shops. More restaurants. These are the back of the hole. Let's walk through a gift shop real quick. It smells like incense in here. I don't see any prices on anything in this one. It's 40 of theirs to one of ours. So something that's $3.20 is $6-7. $6, right? They have wine. Now, you might think that's it. And it kind of is. Except there's more around the side, outside the building. Hey, here's the wood for the wood fire. Hi, hola. Wood. Mesquite it smells like. You know, the finest barbecuing wood known to person. Playing the lottery. And here it's up to 67 million pesos. That's the pedestrian walkway, and it goes for a mile or so, several blocks. We walked down it, look for our video about Montevideo, and you'll see. Of course, we're outside now, obviously. People are putting away their chairs. More restaurants, as I promised. More people selling things. On that pedestrian walkway, there are lots of these kind of things. Lots of them. I'm just making a big circle back to where we began. So that you can see it. Don't forget to move around. It's a 360. Don't look at the top of my head. Don't look at the ground. Look all around. There's stuff on each side. Not so much up and down, except holes. Janet's going to go over here. I'm going to go right up here. Okay, so they're saying they give them 38. Anyway, so from Montevideo, Uruguay, this is Gareth from Port Monkeys. Port Monkeys out. So there's the ship, see it? The Sapphire Princess. Bye.